Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're first timers, welcome to you too. This week I'm so excited because I've come up with a two-in-one craft. It's a decorative table which can be dismantled. The top can come off and the legs can fold. The top you can use as a showpiece or you can use the whole thing as a decorative table. All I have used for this is craft mirrors which don't cost fortune, cardboard, and a broken dish that I have stuck with a crazy glue, and some acrylic paints as usual. It can't get better than that, can it? So what are we waiting for? Let's get right to it.
First, I drew the legs of the table and then transferred it on the cardboard. I cut 6 pieces. I'll use 2 for each leg. This way, the legs will be sturdy. Since this is a decorative table, we don't need its legs to be extra sturdy or anything, but they would be sturdy enough to hold a Mosaic tabletop. As usual, to make the edges of the legs smoother, I stuck the paper napkin pieces all around the leg. Now I put the legs together, for which I needed a hinge, so I made a piece of cardboard, used it as a hinge. For the right placement of the legs, I drew a circle, divided that in 3 parts. Each part is 120 degrees, and then I placed the legs right on the line so that they would be in the proper position. The circle diagram helped me to position the legs and put the hinges in the proper position. Now the hinges are in place, and now the legs are opening at the angle of 120. I am able to fold the legs pretty well. To make the tabletop, I sanded the dish and then painted it with the acrylic paint. Now the surface of the dish is ready for crafting. Since I'm making the mirror mosaic tabletop, I drew the circles that would help me to stick the mirrors equally and in correct position. I'm not worried too much about glue getting on the mirrors because I have to clean the mirrors later in the video anyways. I tried mirror mosaic for the first time here. I think it's a lot of fun. The dish is going to be the tabletop, so I placed it on the legs, marked the position where the dish will stay straight on the legs. Then on those marks, I stuck the strip of cardboard. Now this dish will snap right on top of the legs. Since I'm making the mirror mosaic, I mixed black acrylic paint with the joint compound and then applied it on the dish. This is just like frosting a cake. Since it's black, maybe a Halloween cake. I took out extra joint compound from the dish so it would be easier for me to clean up later on. Compound was almost dry. I cleaned the mirrors with a damp paper towel. It turned out to be gray and I wanted it to be dark black, so I painted over it with the black paint. No matter how much paint I mixed with the joint compound, it did not give me the color I wanted, so I had to paint it. And this is the shade of black I wanted. I went over this black paint with the silver color because I wanted a dazzling look. We can't forget about table legs. We got to decorate them too. Now I started painting the legs. First I painted them white and then I painted them black. I decorated the legs with the clay. Clay adds so much richness to any creation. I just love it. I painted the clay with the black paint to match the legs. And then I went over the clay with the silver paint. I highlighted the legs with the silver paint as well. Here I am setting up the legs. And then I placed the tabletop on the legs. And here's the final look of my table. Doesn't it look beautiful? And here's the tabletop as a showpiece. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one. Bye.